This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a circle puncher. These handy tools are fantastic for adding precise circular elements to your creative projects. Whether you are working on scrapbooks, handmade cards, or other paper crafts, a circle puncher makes the job simple and neat. We will cover selecting the right size, preparing your material, and achieving a clean, crisp cut every time. Get ready to make perfect circles with ease. Before punching, it is important to prepare your material properly. Make sure your paper or cardstock is completely flat and smooth, without any folds or wrinkles that could affect the cut. For optimal performance, most standard circle punchers work best with materials up to about 250 grams per square meter. Carefully align your material to maximize usage and minimize waste, especially if you are punching multiple circles from one sheet. Now for the main event, punching. Gently slide your prepared material into the puncher's slot, ensuring it goes all the way in until it meets the back stop. Once positioned, place your hand firmly on the puncher's handle and press down with steady, even pressure. You should feel and hear a satisfying click, which confirms that the circle has been cleanly cut through the material. Release the handle, and your perfect circle is ready. To keep your circle puncher in top condition and ensure consistent results, here are a few pro tips. Always remember to empty the small waste compartment frequently. This prevents paper scraps from jamming the mechanism. If your puncher starts to feel dull, simply punch through a few layers of aluminum foil to sharpen the blade. For a sticky puncher, try punching through wax paper to lubricate the cutting edges. These simple maintenance steps will extend your tool's life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.